Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is class 10th, subject general science. Our today's topic is formula for calculating electric power. Yesterday we have discussed power. Power is the rate at which electrical energy is consumed or the rate at which the electrical work is done. We have seen that the rate which at electric work is done or the rate at which electrical energy is consumed is called power. So we can say that or we know that power is equal to work done divided by time taken or energy consumed divided by time taken. So we can say that power is equal to W divided by T. We have already studied it, or we know that the work done by current I when it flows for time t under a potential difference V, it is given by this formula कि पाई कि वर्क डन बाय करंट आई से ये फ्लो फॉर टाइम टी अंडर ए पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस V, it is given by W is equal to V into I into T. So, putting this value of W in equation first, P is equal to W बजाय लगाओ इसी वैल्यू V into I into T divided by T. Et गस cancel. At क्या P is equal to V into I. Then only is potential difference. See formula for the formula we got is P is equal to V into T. Then only is potent power in watts. यहाँ से है कोई found out करें by multiplying the potential difference in volts. And the current in amperes then when we use electric power यहाँ से बराबर it is equal to the potential difference into current, or also electric power is equal to voltage into current. So we can say that when you see power extended in heating or turning a motor, it depends upon the potential difference between the terminals of the device and the current passing through it. Then when you see current is expanded utilized in heating or in turning a motor. Yes, it depends on potential difference between the terminals of the device and the current passing, because the current is passed. Then you see the formula for calculating the electric power, electric power is equal to the product of potential difference and electric current. Electric power has बराबर V into I. Now we will discuss other. If the potential difference is given and current in amperes is also given, we get the power in watts. Then one is 1 watt is the power consumed by an electrical device when the potential difference across its ends is 1 volt and it carries a current of 1 ampere. This guy has 1 watt power. 1 watt power has a one is potential difference as 1 watt and 1 current ampere is passing through it. That time the power of the device is 1 watt. Some formula for calculating. We have just seen that electric power, it is the product of potential difference and electric current. So we can say P is equal to V into I. Now according to the Ohm's law, we know that the ratio of potential difference to the current is equal to the resistance of the conductor, or we can say that V is equal to I into R. Putting this value of V in the equation first, P is equal to I into R into I. This gives us another formula for calculating the potential difference. For potential difference, or P is equal to I square into R into R into R. This gives us the and then the formula for calculating the power. This formula is to be used for calculating when only current and resistance are known to us. ये formula this get इस्तेमाल करा for calculating electric power ये current as current resistance as पता. And in the power definition, that is in terms of V into R, we know that P is equal to V into I, and also from Ohm's law we also know that the ratio of V divided by I is equal to R, or V is equal to I into R, or I is equal to which is V divided by R. Putting this value as a value put of I in equation, first we get P is equal to V into V divided by R, or P is equal to V square divided by R. V square divided by R. तेल वनो power कथ बराबर यह बराबर V square divided by R. This from this equation it is clear that power it is inversely proportional to the resistance. तमिक मतलब गो resistance of high power device that is lower than that of the lower power device. For example, you say 100 watt bulb amich resistance has कम then बनिस्बती the 60 watt bulb. ठीक, this is all about the formula of electric power.